This is a question of HCM and LCM asked by UPSC in their CSAT paper of 2014. 5 persons fire bullet at a target at an interval of 6, 7, 8, 9 and 12 seconds respectively. The number of times they would fire the bullet together at the target in an hour. Right. So the question is saying that these 5 persons are fire bullet at interval of 6, 8, 9 and 12. So at what time they will fire bullet together? So the question is asking how many times in an hour, right? So this figure is in second, right? So we have to change it. Okay, we will do it, right? So what we have to find? We have to find the LCM, right? This question is similar to the previous one, right? We discussed. So here also we have to find the LCM of 6, 7, 8, 9 and 12. See, in exam it is hard to find whether we have to find the HCF or the LCM, right? But if you practice these questions, so you will come to know like we have to find the LCM or the HCF, right? So in these questions we have to find LCM, right? Because we have to find the common point, right? The common interval where these all people will fire bullet together, right? So this thing we can find out through LCM. So how we will find the LCM? So the LCM, so first we will do the factor of these 6. So the factor of it will be, what will be the factor of 7? It will be 7. What will be the factor of 8? It will be 2 cube. And what will be the factor of 9? It will be 3 square. And the factor of 12 will be, right? So the LCM would be, we have to take the maximum power of 2 from here, the maximum power of 3 from here, right? And we have only single power of 7, right? So it will become 8 into 9 into 7. This will come out 504, right? So after 504 seconds they will fire bullet together, but the question is asking in an hour. In 1 hour we have 60 minutes, and in 1 minute we have 60 seconds, right? So this will be 3600. So how many times they will fire together in an hour? So what we have to do, we have to divide 3600 by 504, right? So when you will divide 3600, so it will go 7 times, right? So this is in fraction, so we will consider only this, right? The quotient. So how many times? So it will, so they will fire bullet together only 7 times, right, in an hour. So the answer is option B, right? So this was easy question. See, the challenge is just to find that this is not a puzzle kind of question, this is HCF and LCM question.